Hey, it's Ted here. I'm in the diesel lab here at the college, and I had a question over EVC-E and how to calibrate idle speed. So I'm going to go over the process for EVC-D and EVC-E on a control. I'll show you how to calibrate your idle speed. So let's go. Okay, so for simplicity and sound, I'm using this control station, and I'm really not going to start the engine up, but I'm going to go through the process of how to calibrate your idle speed. So the first thing is, obviously, your shift levers need to be in neutral. So make sure your shift levers are in neutral. Activate the station, which will activate your control panel. Your display should come up, and wait for that to boot up. Once the display boots up, then what you're going to do is you're going to go to your remote control and you're going to push and hold your throttle button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should hear a tone, and once you see that tone, that will put you into calibration mode. That should apply to your screen, and that's what you should see. At that point, once you see calibration mode, you want to start your engines. You can calibrate both of the engines simultaneously. So start the engines. So after the engine start in calibration mode, you should get this message on your display screen. Calibration idle speed set RPM. At that point, it is in neutral, and you can set the RPM using your shifters. So with the engine in neutral and in calibration mode where it says idle speed, the engines are running, shift your shift levers forward and then push them to the desired idle speed which you want to set it at. At that point, what you're going to do is you're again going to push that throttle only button for 5 seconds. Once you've done that, pull your shift levers back to neutral and shut your engine off. At that point, wait 15 seconds, and when you start the engines up, they will be at that desired speed. The engine speed options are as follows. So for D3 with EVC-E, you have 700 and 750 RPM is the range that you can set. D4 is the same. D6 is 600 to 650. D11 is 550 to 700, D13 and D16 is 550 to 800. I do not know right off the top of my head what a D8 setting is. Those are the ranges that you have. Those are the optional speeds that you can set them at. So, hope this helps setting the RPM idle speed for an EVC-E. I'll talk to you soon.